When I'm looking at dollars RS, my ultimate goal is to actually figure out the cost of both traditional customers and what we're referring to as progressive customers. And the first thing I want to do is separate my costs into direct and indirect costs. My first step. I personally like to diagram it so I can get a visual of the system. You should use whatever you're comfortable with. In this case, because we're working with a bank and there really is no material that I'm handing over to customers, I mean, it is my dollars, but that gets accounted for differently, then I only have direct labor as my direct expense. And I know my direct labor, in this case, was $500,000. I also have all these other indirect expenses. And right now, I have no reason to believe that they're separated from each other in some sort of manner. So I'm going to lump them all together, and I'm going to refer to them as overhead. Overhead is just another word for indirect expenses. And if I add up the ATM depreciation, the utilities, training, website, supervision, depreciation, the call center, and the admin, I come out with that all those indirect expenses add up to $1 million. So this is the start of what I view as my diagram of my cost system. My goal now, as we work through this problem and as you on your own come up with problems or face situations where you're going to have to apply this type of analysis, as you work forward, you're going to say, direct labor, how do I assign direct labor to these two products? And how do I assign overhead? So our ultimate goal is to assign this $1 million to both my traditional and my progressive customers, and the same with my direct labor. How we get there is the next step we're going to talk about.